Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you a quick video. I made these cards last night and I was following Sam's Mixedupcrafts video and she has a tutorial on how to make these. They're super easy. I'm going to show you real quick how to make them, but still pass by her video because her card is gorgeous. I'll put the link in the description bar to her video. But this is the first one I made. And it's cute, but definitely this is a card you want to use double-sided paper. So I made that one. This is the second one I made, and I love this card. So I used double-sided paper from Prima. I used my little fairy. She's blowing on her little butterfly. This is the part that's floating, and it looks like she's surrounded by butterflies. The stickers are from Crafts. And this is a card that when you mail it, it mails flat. You see? And then when the person gets it, they kind of poof it up and look, it stands. It's super cute. It looks like the butterflies are floating, so you can put whatever you want there. And then in the back, you could put just a piece of cardstock to write your sentiment. And that is it, guys. It's so easy. So let me show you real quick. You're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock that measures 6.5 by 6. So you need 2 pieces. At the 6.5, I mean, not 6.5, 6.25. So 6.25 by 6. On the 6.25 side, you're going to score at 3 and at 6, both pieces. Okay. You put one on the side. One of them, you're going to take your die of your choice, and you're going to put it in the middle of the 3-inch score mark. So you see, that's my 3-inch, and that's my 6.25. You're going to put it right in the middle, run it through your machine, and you'll get that. Once you get that, you fold all your pieces. This piece right here, just fold it and glue it to your card, just like that. Decorate your inside. Add your piece of acetate in the middle. Once everything is the way you want it, the inside, your acetate's there, you take that, you glue that piece there. And that is it, guys. You have your card. So I'm not going to decorate this one. There you go. It's so easy. You see? So once you do that, look, you got your card. So cute. I love it. Decorate, and the part that you have your acetate, put whatever you want that's going to look like it's floating. And that is it, guys. It's so easy. And look, fast. With one sheet of paper, one cardstock, I did 2 cards. With one of those 12 by 12. Love it. And that's it. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to pass by, watch her video. She has a full detailed video. And I hope you guys like it. Give it a try. It's super easy. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.